Hey guys, now today I've got another use for leftover bananas. Now bananas, I love buying bananas because my kids will absolutely dive on them when they're still green, maybe with a tinge of yellow. They love them like that. As soon as a spot appears, nah, done. But that's fine because I do a lot of baking with them. Banana loaf is so easy, banana muffins is so easy, and it's just great stuff to put in the freezer and keep for lunch boxes, and they'll dive on it. Now, what I've done is I've got a whole heap of spotty bananas. I think there are about 4 of them. Chop them up. You can put them into a bag or into a container and freeze them. You want to make sure they're nice and frozen. Now this stuff, my kids love it because it's like ice cream. It's not as sweet as ice cream, but it's the same consistency and it's yummy. It is so nice. I've got these bananas. It helps if they are really frozen, which they should be. It helps if you just leave them for 10 minutes, just so they break up easily. Sorry. I will just give you approximate quantities here. So it depends a lot on how many bananas you're using, the size of the bananas, all that sort of thing. So this is one of these brilliant recipes. You just do it to taste. You just whiz it up, taste it, and adjust if you want to. There's also some variations on it, but that's what I do. It's about 4 bananas in there, I think it was. I will add, I make my own Greek yogurt, so I use a couple of decent dollops of Greek yogurt, but use any kind of yogurt. I'm going to put 3 dollops in because. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter. If you don't want to use peanut butter, that's fine. It does add. It just makes this though, I think. It just makes it, the flavour is so yummy. You don't need too much though. A tablespoon is plenty. If you don't want to use peanut butter, you could also, or you could do it as well as, you could add some vanilla essence into here as well. It's quite nice with a teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can add sugar in there if you want to as well. But I don't, because my kids have gotten well sugared up over Christmas as it is. So that's why this is a really good hot day alternative. Now I've tried doing this different ways as well. I've tried mixing it all up together and then putting it in the fridge. It just doesn't quite, you know, it's still okay, but it's just not quite the same consistency wise. And I've also tried, I've heard people saying you can put it into like ice block sticks and turn it into ice blocks. That's been a bit hit and miss trying to do that. I have tried that, but again, it's not quite the same. This is the best method as far as I know. Get our stick blender. There we go, look at that. Dish this up. Dish the prey up to its natural predators. Alright. What's the opinions?
Yummy and cold and yummy and cold and yummy and cold. Very yummy and cold.
Did I put the right amount of peanut butter in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bit more vanilla maybe would be yummy.
I haven't put any vanilla in that one.
Oh, vanilla is yum.
You reckon vanilla? Okay. Word on the street has it vanilla's good. That is so yummy. I say that before I've even tried it. I've had it before, I know it's yummy. I mean, it's banana-y. I think Olivia's right. A little bit of vanilla essence is awesome in here.
Yeah, definitely.
Banana-y. You can just get that undertone of peanut buttery flavour. That is really super duper yummy. And of course, as you're whizzing it, you just taste and adjust. If you want it to be really sweet like ice cream, then yeah, put some sugar in if you want to. But that is just awesome. That is so nice, and especially on a hot day, you know, just, you know, chop up your bananas that are about to go off, stick them in the freezer, and they're just ready to go when you are. So give it a go, people. Hit like, leave me a comment, hit subscribe, and make some banana ice cream because it's yummy. Bye.